Ito po ang DTF machine namin dito sa Robinsons Novaliches. At lagi naman itong nagagamit na meron kaming nairan dito ng 25 meters ngayong week. Yan po ang printer head. Head clean. Yan po ang cupping. Unusan ang wiper. Nozzle check. Ito po ang nozzle check. Ang ink system naman natin ay tama lang. Ito po ang wasting tank. Nalilinis naman to every Friday. Ground wire. ABR. Used ink. Unused ink. Powder. At DTF film. Printer daily checklist. Production log. Inventory. Weekly consumption. 30 cm film. Black. White ink. Powder. Cyan. Cleaning solution. Magenta. Yellow. Lamang po, maraming salamat.